Hey, everyday treats, you know I'm whipping up the flour here, I'm whipping up the gas, whipping up everything.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. And today, guys, I am making a delicious meal for you guys. I'm making mashed potatoes. The holiday seasons are approaching, and a lot of people are requesting for an easy, simple mashed potato recipe so they can make, because they don't want to be in the kitchen all day. So guys, let me show you my few ingredients. Come on into my kitchen, guys. Come on in. So today we making mashed potatoes, garlic mashed potatoes. I use the red potatoes, guys, but you can use any potatoes you like. Butter, fresh garlic, parsley, garlic powder, peppers. I use canned milk, guys, but you can use whole milk, but the canned milk make it taste extra creamy and delicious. Pepper and sea salt. Guys, that's it. A few steps to make the mashed potatoes. So let's get this party started. Okay, guys, so you all are already familiar with the ingredients that we're going to need to make the garlic mashed potatoes. So I washed my potatoes, and what we're going to do is cut them. And I leave the skin on my potatoes because it gives it flavor. So I just cut them like in fours. Cut them down like this. And when you cut them, it helps them to boil quicker instead of you putting them in as a whole, whole potato. This is just so simple, guys, and it's so delicious. It is so delicious to make it for Christmas, Thanksgiving sides. It's just right, guys. It's so simple too. So we cut them down, And you can do the same thing with your potato salad. And now the next step, guys, we're gonna boil the water. In 1 second, let me finish cutting. And remember, my hands are clean, guys. I'm always keeping my hands clean. And these potatoes are nice and clean because I washed them nice and clean, guys. We don't want no dirty food, okay? Okay, so I'll have to wait till the water boil, and then we'll place the potatoes in the water. Okay, guys, now the water is boiling. So what we do, add some salt. Add salt to your water. And now we will place the potatoes in the water. Ooh, I'm going to have to back up because I want to dump it all in there, but I don't want to burn myself. So we dump the potatoes. Let me see. I'm going to back up, guys. Put it kind of down. All right, there you go. There you go. Great job. Okay, I place the potatoes in the water, and I add garlic into my water as well. So I add the garlic and I added the salt. And you can also put your garlic in the oven in some aluminum foil or some olive oil and cook it and then use your garlic like that. But hey, it's your kitchen. You do what you like in your kitchen. I'm just giving you guys some easy, quick steps because I don't like to be in the kitchen all day. So my journey here is to show you how to get in and get out. So you can look at TV, eat your food, and be happy, okay? All right, so let's let these potatoes boil for about 10 minutes. And after they're nice and tender, stick a fork in them. Make sure they're nice and soft, and then we can go on to complete this party, guys. Okay, guys. Now, the potatoes are ready. And I didn't want to bore you guys by letting you see me drain the potatoes. That's just too much. So the potatoes are ready. So what I'll do now is add my season. So I add my black pepper. And again, y'all guys know I love black pepper, okay? But add your seasons to your likings. Add the salt. Half a stick of butter. Use that real butter, guys, not that margarine, okay? Add that. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to blend it. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic powder. Still add the garlic powder, but not as much. my red peppers, just to give it that kick, which is optional, guys. But if you follow my channel, you know I love hot, spicy food. Okay, so now we're going to blend it before we add the milk. So let me turn my blender on. Oops. Okay, 1 second. I normally just mash this stuff up myself. I really don't use a blender, but lately I've been kind of lazy in the kitchen. So, okay. Let's see if this thing is right.
Now you have to switch them to the other side.
Okay. Hubby the baker in here, so he knows how to do this. Or maybe I'll just use one. Because, let me see, does that work? Okay. Here we go. Here we go. I'll just blend the potatoes. And I already put the butter and the season all in it. So the next thing I'm going to do is add the milk. I might need to add the other blender, but we'll see. So guys, I love to use this, keep the skin on my potatoes, because whether you know it or not, it keeps all the important nutrients in your potatoes. You cut them off, you don't get that. So I love to keep it in there. And I also love my potatoes kind of lumpy. But again, guys, you can do what you like. And hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Party Foods by Chef Stay. Tell your friends and your family. And if there's any recipes, guys, you guys want me to cook, send them to me. Put them in this. And I will also put the recipe in the description box for you guys. So let me mix these all up. A little close over. Okay, guys. You see me fighting with the blender. So now I done blend up all the ingredients, and I need to just add the milk. The milk to the potatoes. And I told you guys, I used the canned milk because it make it creamy. So I just add the milk, stir it. And I tell you, these potatoes, simple, easy. And then not only that they're easy and simple to make, they are so good. If you mashed potato lovers, you're gonna enjoy these. So just mix them in, guys. I'm gonna make sure I mix all the milk up in it. They already got butter all in them. So I'm gonna add a little more black pepper, and you can taste it to your likings. Some more black pepper. A little more pepper, red peppers, flakes. Whew, that was too much. But it'd be okay for a family who likes spicy foods. So guys, make this optional for y'all. Don't do that, okay? And the mashed potatoes are ready now. So all we gotta do is add our little toppings to it. Mix it up real good. And we're gonna add our toppings to it, guys, and taste it. Okay, guys, the mashed potatoes are finally ready. 30 to 40 minutes to do it. Simple, easy, delicious. Okay, come on into my kitchen, guys, and check this mashed potatoes out. Look at that. Delicious. Buttery garlic mashed potatoes. Okay, so I'm getting ready to try the mashed potatoes for you guys, but before I do that, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. I would love for you guys to refer your friends to my channel if they want easy, quick, delicious meals. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and when my notification come up, guys, join me. So come on into my kitchen, guys, and join me so you can check out my delicious mashed potatoes. So let me taste it for you guys. Creamy, buttery, woo, honey, woo. Ain't nothing like some creamy, good mashed potatoes, not them soupy ones you could drink out of a straw. So let me taste this, guys. Man, oh man. This is, I had to go in again, I'm sorry. because it's so delicious. One more bite, one more bite, one more bite. Look at that, guys. One more bite. Guys, this is delicious. And with this meal, I'm making some honey glazed salmon and some broccoli. Stay tuned for that video as well, guys. And thanks again.
Party foods by Chef